Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll discuss the steps necessary to hide content on a specific page. And not just hide the entire page, but to hide specific sections or rows or modules on any page on your website. As usual, the first step is to enable the Visual Builder on the page that you wish to hide your content on. And once that's loaded, you simply have to hover over the section or row or module. So we'll go through one of each. We'll start with this image module here that contains the Tiger Trek logo on this website. If we hover over it and the toolbar appears, we click on Module Settings, which is the cog icon. And from here, we'll get the pop-up for the image settings. We'll go to Advanced. Then scroll down to the Visibility tab. And you have the option to disable on phone, tablet, and desktop. So this actually allows you, if you wish to hide a certain element on only the phone or only tablet or only desktop, or perhaps make it only visible on desktop, you could check the boxes to disable it on phone and tablet. This is useful if you have a specific section that you want to design somewhat differently for a mobile or tablet experience. If you want to hide the section entirely from all views, and for the sake of making it visible later when the content is relevant, you can simply disable on all of these. It will show up as being grayed out in the Visual Builder, but once you save the page by clicking on the three horizontal dots, open the global menu, and click on the green Save button, then you'll notice that once you exit the Visual Builder, the element that you have hidden is now no longer visible. Even if you scale down to other screen sizes, because we disabled it on desktop, tablet, and mobile, it's hidden on every version of the site. To make it visible again, all we have to do is hover over the hidden section. On the toolbar that appears, click on Module Settings, click on the Advanced tab, and scroll down to Visibility, and simply uncheck the Disable on phone, tablet, desktop. Click on the green check mark to save changes, and if you publish this page, this module will now be visible again. Now, if you wish to hide a specific row that contains perhaps several modules, such as this text module with the word register, as well as the button that are contained within this row, you can simply hover over the row until you see the green row settings. Click on the cog icon to open row settings. And from here, same principle as before, click on the Advanced tab, then click on Visibility, scroll down if you need to, and check the boxes for Disable on phone, tablet, and desktop. And this will effectively, once you save changes on the page, hide that row with all the contained modules in it from being visible on the public site. Now, if we review this page in another tab, since we've saved it, we can now see that the register section that was previously there is now completely hidden. If we want to unhide it, we simply have to hover over the row settings, click on the cog icon, click on Advanced Visibility, and uncheck the options under the Disable on phone, tablet, and desktop. Click on the green check mark to save changes, and click on the Save to publish changes. This can be done for any row, module, or even section. In this case, this page is made up of one large section. It's in a special section because of the sidebar. If we wanted to hide the entire page with the exception of the banner on top, we could hover over the section settings, click on that cog icon, click on advanced visibility, and again follow the same process as before to check the boxes for disabling on tablet, phone, and desktop if you want to hide on every version. Similarly, if it's not a special section, same principle applies. Click on section settings after hovering over to reveal the toolbar. Click on advanced visibility, disable on phone, tablet, and desktop, and that will effectively hide the entire section and all the rows and modules contained therein. One item to note here, if you come across a bright green module, that is a global module, and it's most likely being placed on multiple pages on the site. So you want to always be careful with global modules, because if we were to hide a global module on one page, that would effectively disable it on all the other pages where it appears as well. So just a word of warning, if you see a bright green section, that means it's a global module, and making any changes, including hiding it on one page, will affect all the other pages where this module, global module, appears. For any additional questions on this topic or others, please contact website support at Gradelink. Thank you so much.